Good morning, 10th class. Today our chapter is chapter 11 and the name is The Human Eye and the Colorful World. And here is the introduction. Guess the name of the organ. It is very easy for you. This one is eye. Look here, there is eyelid, then this black one, okay, black one is pupil, then this blue color is iris. Sometimes the color of iris maybe it is brown or black also. Then this margin is limbus, and then this white portion is sclera. So this whole organ is eye, okay, and this is human eye. So today our topic is the human eye. So here is the structure of human eye. Just look here. Here we have the front region, okay, front portion. This front portion is known as cornea, right? And here the back one is known as sclera, okay. And total just here we have some information about human eye. The human eye is like a camera, and the eyeball is approximately spherical, okay, shape is spherical, and then size and diameter is 2.3 centimeter, okay, approximately. Then the human eye has three parts: outer part, middle part, and inner part. So next we have the outer part of eye. Outer part of eye is front transparent part, cornea, and then it allows light to enter inside the eye. And the back outer portion is known as, it is black opaque outer layer, okay, sclera. Function is it does not allow light to escape out from eye. So just here we are transferring, or we are relating that information with the diagram. So here the front portion is known as cornea. Just look here, cornea, and the back outermost, okay, this outermost back portion is known as sclera. So this cornea allows light to enter into eye, and this outermost portion is sclera. Name is not mentioned here. So sclera लाइट को बाहर नहीं जाने देता है और कॉर्निया लाइट को अंदर आने देता है. कॉर्निया फ्रंट पोर्शन है और स्क्लेरा आपका बैक आउटर पोर्शन है. देन हम मूव करते हैं मिडिल पार्ट ऑफ आई. जस्ट लुक हियर, व्हाट ऑल आर प्रेजेंट. आइरिस इज देयर, प्यूपिल इज देयर, सीलरी मसल इज देयर, क्रिस्टलाइन लेंस इज देयर, कोरोइड इज देयर. सो हाउ मेनी? जस्ट हियर वन मिस्टेक, 2.4, एंड दिस वन इज 2.5. सो 1 2 3 4 5, टोटल 5 आर देयर. तो अब हम इसको उसके अंदर देखते हैं डायग्राम में. वेयर आर ऑल दीज प्रेजेंट? सो हियर वी हैव प्यूपिल. दिस स्पेस प्रेजेंट हियर इज नोन एज प्यूपिल, एंड दिस रीजन, दिस डार्क मस्कुलर डायफ्राम इज नोन एज iris. Clear? And you can also compare this in the first diagram. Just look here, this blue portion is iris, and this is space, means the space present between the iris is known as, this portion is known as pupil. And this dark muscular diaphragm, this one is made up of muscles, so dark muscular diaphragm is known as iris. Iris control the size of pupil, okay. iris क्या करता है? ये साइज जो गोला गोला आपको दिख रहा है, ये छोटा होगा या बड़ा होगा, कौन डिसाइड करता है? iris. So iris decide the size of pupil. Clear? तो अब हम बैक जाते हैं. हमने टोटल 5 स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑर्गन्स देखे थे. सो हियर प्यूपिल, आइरिस कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया आपको. देन नंबर 3 इज अबाउट लेंस. दिस लेंस, एंड कैन यू गेस द शेप ऑफ द लेंस? शेप ऑफ द लेंस इज it is convex. Clear? Convex shape. And what is the function of convex lens? Converging, okay, it converges all the light rays. And just look here, it is holded by ciliary muscles. देखो आप ऊपर की तरफ भी आपको दिखेगा और नीचे की तरफ दिखेगा, राइट? वैसे ये चारों तरफ होता है. सो इट होल्ड्स ciliary muscles. Function is to hold lens in position. लेंस को पोजीशन में रखता है. Understood? Then ciliary muscles, crystalline lens, pupil, iris, all these are present in the front region. Back layer में, okay, ये जो आपको सर्कल स्फीयर दिख रहा है, इसका जो सेकेंड आउटर मोस्ट क्या था? स्क्लेरा. सेकेंड लेयर क्या हो जाएगा इसका? कोरोइड, right? So all these, just look here about iris. Dark muscular diaphragm, control size of pupil, clear. Then pupil, space जो iris के बीच में होता है, that one is pupil. And here the pupil regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. Clear? Then ciliary muscles hold the lens in position. Crystalline lens, convex, converging function. Choroid's back second layer of eye is called choroid, and it does not allow light to escape from eye. So this is whole about middle part of eye. Now next is inner part of eye. So look here, what all are present. Retina is there, retina, optic nerves, right? Two are there. So we are just comparing this in the diagram. So here we have retina and optic nerves. So retina here, back layer, the innermost layer is known as retina, and here optic nerves. Optic nerves connect eye to nerves. It connect eye. Optic word is used for eye. So it connects eye to brain. Clear? It brings messages from eye to it sends messages from eye to brain, and also from brain to eye, vice versa, right? So then we have here inner part. Inner part is retina. Back inner layer of eye is called retina, and delicate membrane light sensitive cells are there. उसी के अंदर आपके पास क्या होता है, rods and cones are also present. Rods are for night vision and cones are for day vision and also for colors. Function है, these light sensitive cells get activated upon illumination and generate electrical signals, right? And then optic nerves, nerves that connect eye to brain, and then function is to send messages, signals to brain via optic nerves. Okay, then interpretation is done by brain, and then information, so that we perceive objects as they are. Just we are doing this with reference to eye. Once again हम वापस से पढ़ते हैं एक्चुअली में सारी चीज़ें फंक्शन होती क्या है. So if there is any object outside, okay, outside, then what happens, light from that object enters into our eyes through this cornea, then this pupil region, then through lens. Function of lens is to converge light rays. So all the light rays are converged on retina. Clear? Then retina के पास क्या होता है, rods and cones are present. Then they are light sensitive cells. They get activated. Clear? After activation, signals बनाते हैं, signals are generated, and then signals through optic nerves sent to brain. Okay, and then now we see what we are observing, right? So this is whole about outer part, middle part, inner part of eye, and this one is your assignment 11.1. Draw the human eye, label the following parts. Clear? Write two differences between iris and cornea. Number 3 is describe the different parts of human eye with functions, and number 4 is comment upon the following: the size of pupil and function of iris when we are playing outside and we come back to room after playing. So question number 1, 2, 3, I think all these parts are clear. Question number 4 is a little bit difficult for you, and this is again just think over it, and tomorrow I will give you answer, right? Thank you.